Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Camtasia video editing software. And in today's video, I will show you on how to blur part of your video in your Camtasia video editing software. Let me show you how. This particular clip right here, let's say for instance, I want to blur the face in this particular clip right here. What we want to do is to come to the toolbar right here. We want to make sure we navigate to annotation, or better still, you press letter N on your keyboard. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to this particular special right here. Click on that, and the next thing you want to do is to select blur right here. Double click on it, and it automatically be added to your timeline right here. Then here you can work on the blur environment, so I can adjust as much as possible right here. I can reposition area that I want to blur right here. Then one more thing here is that you can work on the blur opacity, so you can decide to turn down the intensify of the blur right here. The more you turn down, the more the blur is going to be reduced. If you increase it 100%, you have more blur. If you click on this plus sign right here, this allows you to add the blur into your library right here as your favorite, just like so. If you invert the blur, it means that the only face is going to be left while the all background in the video is going to be blurred. So you can adjust the blur and go ahead, just like what you see right here. You can see only face was left while the other places are fully blurred in this regard. So if I uncheck the invert right here, I will only have my face to be blurred right here. So you can position and adjust from the top right here, just like so. So once you are satisfied, then you are good to go. Just like so, you can see all my face here are blurred. You can use this method to blur any part of the video or any surface in your video using Camtasia video editing software. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Camtasia video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.